this being was just there, just standing there in the room alongside him. It was almost like it wasn't expecting him to wake up. It's 4.5 feet tall, had a typical grey skin, and it appeared to be unclothed. And it was just there looking at him, just staring right at him. And it seemed to react to him and run around the base of the bed. So this is John's room here, just facing down the bed. So the thing just basically scarpered, just started running around the room. So it runs around the bottom of the bed, round to the left side. As it's coming around the left side, John starts to see it sort of dematerialise. It's becoming more translucent as it's running. So it's still escaping, but at the same time ceasing to be there. I've dealt with other cases where this exact same phenomena has been seen, where these beings will sort of fade out from reality, almost perhaps stepping through into another dimension. And this is where we get to, of course, the actual thing, this vortex or portal that appeared over to the left side of his room. That's a radiator he's drawn there that could see through it. And this is the being kind of stepping towards it. Now the portal was only just slightly bigger than the being, so he estimated 4.6 foot across. And there was this unusual collapse to it, so kind of geometric collapse, so kind of folded in a bit at a time, very, very fast and rapidly, but boom, 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 as John described, really, really interesting. Now, I've not dealt with any other cases where that exact thing has been seen. I've dealt with other cases where beings have emerged and gone into portals like this. John mentioned that he had this lack of reaction to the presence of this being, so usually he would, it was this kind of level of complacency that went along with it. Now, it's a very, very fast experience, but a lot of the time when people have these experiences with beings, they act far too complacent to them.